My name is Sabuja. Along with my teammates Ryan, Sainath, Sridevi, Suchitra, and Jai, we are going to present about YumYumBento ordering system as part of our capstone project 698, and we are from Group 1. In this slide, we are going to discuss about the agenda, what we are going to discuss today, about client info, business situation, business solution, diagram, and demo. In this slide, I'm going to discuss about the client, where I'll give you a bit background about the client YumYumBento. So YumYumBento is a family-owned business in the East Lansing area, operating since January 2020. The restaurant serves authentic Korean, Japanese, and Thai cuisine in a bento style. YumYumBento offers dine-in and take-out options for their customers. Since their parking space is limited as well as their store size, the restaurant does not provide food delivery. So their ordering system is separated from the delivery system. The business is tied up with four different food delivery companies: Chobus, Fantuan, DoorDash, and Menufy. Each delivery company has its own ordering system. In this slide, I'm going to discuss about their current business situation. So the current ordering system lacks a proper user interface design, making it difficult to use. Incorrect calculation resulting in totals in the system that differ from their printed receipts. Lots of unknown buttons and functions in their current system. And the current system does not have useful features like item discount, total order discount, and bill splitting. In this slide, we are going to discuss about the business solution. So our main objective is to make YumYumBento's ordering system simple and easy. To achieve that, we are going to create a clean user interface UI design for the ordering systems in our proposed system. Our main goal is to reduce the complexity of the client by increasing the system's efficiency by minimizing the functions and button uses. In the proposed system, redundancy in the billing is reduced and accuracy is increased. Also, the system will be capable of splitting and applying discounts wherever necessary. Here, the problem with altering the menu is resolved by allowing the management to customize the items. To achieve the objectives, we plan to do the programming part in Visual Basics, and for the database, we work in MySQL. In this slide, I am going to discuss about the analysis, like the financial analysis and also the duration of the project. So we are expecting a budget of 9,400, which would be the implementation cost for the first year, and the duration would be closer to 2.5 months. In this slide, the business solution, we are providing a simple and easy to use UI design, reduce the complexity of buttons, improve the billing accuracy, allow to create and delete menu item, staff, customer and discount or records. This is the slide where we have designed the ERD. You can see 8 tables: customer, customer order, order item, payment, discount, menu category, and staff. In this slide, we have designed the context level DFT. You can see from the staff, YumYumBento ordering system, manager, and the customer. And in this slide, we have designed the level O DFT. This slide talks about the level 1 DFT. Thank you for watching us.
Hello all, I'm Sainath Makineni. So now I'm going to explain about the login form. Basically, a login form is used to enter the authentication credentials to access a restricted form. So our login form contains a field for the username and another for the password. So when the login form is submitted, its underlying code checks that the credentials are authentic, giving the user access to the restricted page. So, first of all, let's discuss about the buttons on this form. So, the login button located on the left bottom of the form allows the manager or server to log in into the system. The clear button on the left side of the exit button is used for clearing or erasing the contents of the text boxes. The exit button removes the current window dialog box from the screen. Alright, so let's see the security level authentication of this form. So, when a user enters his or her username and the password is left empty, and when the user tries to log in into the system, it throws an exception that the password cannot be empty. So, in the same way, when a user enters a password without the username and tries to log in into the system, it throws an error that the username cannot be empty. So, when the user enters the username and password and tries to log in with the wrong credentials, it shows the credentials are invalid and asks the user to try again. Now, the user can use the clear button in order to clear the username and password and enter the login details again. So, we have the server login and manager login for our ordering system. So, when a server enters his or her login details, the system will direct them to the ordering page. As you can see on my screen, the system is directed to the login page. So where the server can take the orders from the customers, as you can see on the screen, and clicking on the logout button, which is on the right top corner of this page, will direct back to the login form again. In the same way, when a manager enters his or her login details, they will be directed to the home page. As you can see the screen, the manager then will have access to the orders, staff, menu, customers, discounts. So clicking back again on the logout button on the top right corner of the form will return the user to the login form.
Thank you, Sainath. Here I'm Suchitra. I'm going to explain about how staff information is managed in YumYumBento database. So here we can find the staff information, and we have three important functions, that is new, edit and inactive. And through home button we can go back to the home page, and in the group box we can search the staff information through staff ID and through first name and through last name. So by clicking on the new button we can add a new staff information, where initially if we save it can't be empty, and if we type integers it was showing us it must be in alphabets, and it should start with an uppercase letter, and same thing works for uh, last name as well. The email can't be empty since it is a mandatory field, and it should also be in the right format at gmail.com. And since we are adding for server, we should give a username and password as well. Where the username and password should be minimum of 6 characters, and with special characters as well. And the phone number is mandatory, so it can't be empty, and it should be in 10 digits. And the active field is also a mandatory field, and also the role is a mandatory field. So where a new staff is added successfully and it is updated in the database as well. And if you want to edit any of the staff information, we can edit by clicking on the edit button, and where the edit and see the staff record is updated successfully, and we can find changes in the database as well. And if we want to inactive any of the staff information, we can click on the inactive button, and where the staff record is updated successfully as inactive. And the next menu will be explained by Sabuja. Thank you.
My name is Sabuja. Today I'm going to present YumYumBento ordering system menu, and I am from group 1. In this window you can see the username and password. This is the main login page, and you click login. You go to the main menu here. Then when you click the menu, this is the main menu where you can search the items by name. Suppose you want to search chicken, you can see 3 chicken menus are listed in the menu. And when you want to add a new menu to the menu, just click new and give a category ID 1, then item name yum chicken, suppose price 12.95, click on active, then it's saved. A new menu is added successfully, and it also shows the new menu ID. Let's see the new menu. Yes, it's added to this menu. And when we want to delete the menu item from here, we can just select the item which we want to delete. Just select yum chicken and click on delete. Then the select record has been deleted successfully. Let's see whether it's deleted. Yes, it's deleted. And if you want to edit one menu item, just select the item you wanna edit, click on edit, and let's change the price to 7.95. Save. Yes, let's see the change. Yes, the price has been changed to 7.95, which is great. And there are other bottoms which you can click the clear to clear the fields, and when you click home, go to the home screen, then you can come back to the menu screen from here. And when you select something and you want to cancel, click the cancel, and it cancel, then click the clear. Thank you for watching.
Thanks, Abuja. I'm Devi, and I will explain how the discount can be maintained in the system. I have logged in as a manager, and there is a discounts button in the home screen. Upon clicking this, it will take to the discounts maintenance form. Let me first focus on the right side of the form. Here, the manager will be able to view all the available discounts maintained so far in the system. The discount ID is surrogate key and unique for each discount and used for internal purpose. Discount column here indicates the value of the discount provided, and the description column describes the discount, and start and end date columns are the validity for the discounts provided. Active flag indicates whether the discount is active or not. Created on and updated on columns are for auditing purpose. On the top of the screen, we have search options, where the manager will be able to search the discounts using the discount name or the discount description or both. To create a new discount, the manager can click on the new button. Before saving, the system validates the new discount details. If we see the first validation in the discount name to check if not empty. As an example, I will try to create a 6% applicable for a month. Here, I enter discount name as 0.06 so that the system calculates the right discount value when applying this discount in the ordering form. The next validation is on description to check if not empty. Here, I am entering a valid description for the discount. The next validation is on validity dates, that end date should always be greater than the start date. By default, the active flag is turned on. I click on save and see a success message, and the newly created discount is refreshed in the data grid view. Manager can also edit an existing discount by selecting a discount record. The details of the discount is populated in the discount form. We can click on edit button and discount becomes editable. And manager can make some changes like extending the validity and save it. Validations are also performed while updating the discount. Manager can also disable the active discount or enable the deactivated discount. Cancel button can be used to clear the discount form. Home button makes the manager to the home screen. These are the overview of the discount functionalities provided in the YumYumBento ordering system. Next, Ryan will demonstrate the customer maintenance forms for this project. Thank you.
Thank you, Sridhi, for explaining the discount form. I have logged in as a manager. Here we have the customer form. In the customer form, as you see in the top of the customer search, we can search by the first name and last name. And in the customer form, we can add, update, and delete customer. So let's go ahead and add a new customer. We go click new. First name would be my kill. Last name Alex. My kill. Alex. Phone number would be 888 777 6666. Active, the address would be 123 Bridge Street. The zip code 45678. Let's go ahead and save it. So a new customer is added successfully. And let's go ahead and update customer here. Let's go ahead and edit Steve. Click to the edit and click Steve, and his information will show up in the customer details. So let's go ahead and edit his phone number to 8888, and then let's save it. Okay, the customer was updated successfully, and as we see here, the phone number has been updated. And let's do deleting. So we go ahead and click in the customer we need to delete. So click delete. Do you want to delete customer? Yes. Customer has been deleted.
Hello everyone, this is Jia Yi, and I'm going to present the ordering part in our system. Here, log in as a staff ID 1, and then click on this button. Will take us to our POS. First, we need to identify if the customer is trying to set in the store or taking out for to go. The layout, if it's a dine-in customer, we click on this tab. The layout here is set as the store layout. We got 8 tables in total. Click on any one of them will open in here. So table 4, or is it a table 5? And if it is for a to-go customer here, will start from here. Let's say customer ID 5 return and they are wanted to purchase something. So here, customer ID 5 with their first name showing up here, order ID 14, and it's a to-go order. And it is okay that they don't have customer ID. We could still place order for them. So we click on this one. The customer ID will be noted here. Okay, and let's try placing some orders for them. Here is our menu category, and here is select on the menu category will shows the menu items below here, and select any single line here. Click on the duplicate, will increase the quantity, and we could also do it by this way. And then also select one, and then click on the remove item, will remove them, and click on the clean, will clean out the entire list box here. And then if we are trying to apply discount, just click on the discount button, and then let's do this one that we just created, the weekend sale. It's 60% weekend sales, and then click on the apply. The red words will shows up in here. Also the discounted amount will turn in red. If we click on it one more time, the discount will be cancelled. Okay, and we also have another feature that's split equally. So when a group of customer came in, they wanted to pay for their own share, we could do this by click on this and then select. If it's split by 2%, the $12 in total split by 2 will be look like this. Okay, the last step is to select the payment method. The payment method here, we do have cash and card. Let's do cash here. Also, if they want to do card, double click on the cash and then do the card. Okay, the last step is to click on the pay. Ta-da, order complete. Okay, and we can see in here it's order ID 14 here, and to see it in more clear, let's do this. We got the house salad, edamame, takoyaki here. Okay, and the total split by 2, 6.23. We in the history tab here, we could also do search by ID 5, or search by name, customer name. And then click on the exit button, will return us to the home page. And then click on the logout, we'll open the forms, login forms. Okay, that's all I have for today. Thank you everyone for watching.